Hey, Mr. Man! Mr. Man, you have not seen anything. Look at you. Eh? You wanted to hit me with this tuke. So, now me be one hit run. Your tuke don't disappoint you. It don't disappoint you.
Excuse me?
Excuse you? Now me they speak English for. Lagos girl like me. Wele. Oribuluku. Oloshi. Look at you. What is it? Why are you looking around like a fool? Now you are the talk to. Now you are the talk to. Why are you looking around? Now you are the talk to. They look around like me. Now you are the talk to. Maybe you want to knock me down.
Listen, madam. I don't know where this whole angle is coming from. Why are you acting as if you saw me in your dream last night?
And you don't reach! You don't reach like people why they see for my dream. Look, see this electric pole. Look at you. Eh? You don't get sense. You don't get sense. Look at you. Eh? You don't knock me down. You can't make me I can't fall for ground. You didn't know that you almost knocked me down. So I'm invincible. Eh? Me that fell down. What's going on here?
See, at least your common sense should have told you that I'm not aware that I almost knocked you down.
You are the one that don't have
Sharon,
common
what's
sense.
going on here?
Hey, really, allow me make a talk. Now you don't get common sense. As you know iron your clothes, you know iron your sense joint. Your brain they leak. Eh? Look at you. You want to talk to me? He nearly knocked me down. You took off with this tuke.
Maybe he didn't do it on purpose now.
Listen.
If we didn't do it on purpose, why didn't you stop? Why didn't you stop to apologize?
Okay, I'm here now. I'm so sorry I messed your clothes up. Just tell me how much it costs, I'll pay.
Oh, shut up! Look at you! You want to pay for my clothes? Lagos girl like me. How much do you think you have?
Sharon!
Fine boy, empty pockets. How much do you have? How much do you have? You cannot give me money.
Sharon.
You cannot maintain me.
Sharon,
Yes.
Sharon, stop it now. Stop it. I don't say you fight trouble. Say you fight under rain. Under rain, you go under rain. Eh?
Now, to go, this place I'm under rain. He knocked me down. He almost knocked me down. And he ran away. Now, the Tuke don't disappoint her. And rain, they beat her. The rain go beat both
This
of us.
is Chika's fiancé. Chika's fiancé.
Huh? As in the person who married you.
Yes.
Now you carry this Tuke. Sorry. Now you carry this.
Sharon. Honestly, Sharon, Chika's fiancé is a very nice guy. Honestly, look at the way you just insulted him. It's not right. It's not good at all. You need to apologize to Chika.
I already apologized. I said sorry.
No, you did not apologize to her. That your apology was not from your heart. It didn't come from your heart.
Actually, I just said sorry for peace to reign. Yes, I was not at fault.
It's not about who is at fault. Like you said, for peace to reign, you need to apologize from the depth of your heart. How can you be comparing that guy to your friends that used to drive Ferrari, Lamborghini or whatever? He's calling his car tuke that cannot go from street to street. How can you call that his car tuke? Have you seen that car? That car is very strong. It's fine.
What is tuke? It's fine because you're in the village. You're a village girl. Come to the city. You gonna say that car na tuke. That car na carton. You understand? Well, I don't blame you. Just, you know me. I'm used to flashy cars, flashy things, flashy life.
Flashy cars. Flashy cars. You better go and apologize to Chika. I look at the way you just bring down the guy. Hey, I pitied for her. You need to sincerely apologize to her. And I don't want you to bring this your attitude to her wedding. No, I don't want you to just ruin things for her. Her wedding is coming up, and I want her to be happy.
Ed, I don't hear. I will behave. And I still took it to Kesha. Hello. Missing me already? Don't worry, I'll come back on Sunday. Yes, this Sunday. All right. Bye.
Bia, Sharon, which one is third fish?
You don't understand. You will not understand.
Because I'm wondering how somebody's name is third fish.
They say, we city babes, to get us to take run up. We categorize
the guys, the men, as they be like, it pass you, you don't understand. Go and apologize to Chika, that's what I'm saying. How you gonna call that cat Tuke? If that cat will fine like that, how you gonna call her Tuke? Go to her house to see me and apologize. But I still Tuke sharp. But I go apologize.
Yes. I just got home now. Yes, just now. Yeah, I called her. I called her when I was on my way. Please, Ibeh, help me put your eyes on the ground. If you see anybody that is selling any smartphone, don't hesitate to let me know. I know as I take run around, as I take hustle, as I take gather money, take buy that phone. I beg, help me. Okay, no, just. Meanwhile, I go send you the number where you take block. Okay. Thank you. You, my guy. Now me, Sharon, they talk. You don't know me by my voice. You don't use my voice to recognize me. And my second line is this. Yes. Yeah, I just got back. No. I will see you later. Make a flash. Alright, take care of yourself. Bye. Woo! Good to be back. Yes!
Hello, sexy.
You know it's a crime to keep a lady waiting. I've been here for over 50 minutes, waiting for you.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about that. I stopped by the filling station to fuel my car. That was what caused my setback.
So why
I'm
weren't
sorry.
you picking my calls to tell me about your delay? Why didn't you pick my call or call back?
Yeah, actually I returned your call immediately I left the filling station, but it didn't connect. So I guess it was network. I even tried the other line, it wasn't connecting as well.
But I told you that I lost my phone in the village this morning. This is the phone I'm managing. That's why I called you with it. And this one is having network issue.
I got this. Don't worry, I will. I'll get you a new smartphone.
Are you trying to bribe me?
I'm serious.
Alright, you're forgiven. So when are you getting the phone? Now?
No. I'll get you the phone by the end of next week. I promise.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, shall
Your
we?
outfit is cool, man.
Thank you.
Makes you look smashing and sexy.
Thank you so much.
You will not believe what I just said and what just happened. Ibeh just came to tell me that she has found the person that stole Sharon's phone. Yes. We're going there now. You won't believe that the person even wants to sell the phone to her. 10,000. Say 40,000. 10,000. Sure, you're hearing this. Where are you now? Where are you? We're going there now, so we can meet you up. No. You're too far away. We can't wait. You know what? I'm with Ibeh and our friends here. I'm sure we can. No. Before you get here, maybe the boy must have gone. Just wait. Don't worry. Let's go. We can handle it together. This one that Ibeh is not here. We can handle it. Let's go.
You cannot just go there like that and not do anything.
See, I tell you, see, this one a confirm phone. If you see no be say the way I take next money now, this one I sell for 40,000. But now waiting this one for second hand. Check am now.
I hope this one is working perfectly well.
Yeah, I go like it.
I want to buy a phone that I will not be regretting later.
Check am. See confirm phone. See as you find. The phone fit you well. Grab am. At 10,000 now, sure. We money matter. Shoot,
I can see you are doing business.
who are you? Who are these people?
This is my elder sister and these are my friends. They are the one that gave me the money to buy the phone.
Is this the phone?
Yes, sister. He said he want to sell it for 10,000 naira.
Yes. 10,000 naira?
I can't tell me how to sell my phone. Shoot.
For a stolen phone? You are a thief.
Come on, give me.
Don't talk to my elder sister like that too. Now we'll just give you like this. Is it your phone? This phone is my phone. Do you know the IMEI number? No, you don't.
You are a thief. Me? Thief! That's what you are.
Let me go tell her how I take sell my phone. See, because of one thing, Because of one thing, Because of one thing,
Where is he even going?
Thief!
So what about the rent you promised me?
I think you have to choose one first. Choose either the phone first or the rent.
Come on, baby. We can do better. Come on. I need the phone and the rent at the same time. But I know you can do it for me if you want to. Come on, you're a big boy.
Check your phone.
Thank you so much. Mwah. You're such a darling. So this is money for the phone. What am I getting? Money for the rent.
That should be before the end of this week.
You are so sweet.
Your phone.
My phone. That is nobody important. Just my friend. She just wants to know where I am. Not to worry.
Yeah, It's getting late already. Let me drop you off.
Oh no, darling. I still want to relax a bit before going home.
That means I will have to relax with you. Where's the waiter?
Oh, sweetheart, come on. You can go ahead and go home. I'll just relax just a bit before going. Don't worry, I'll call you when I get home.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You'll be fine.
I'll be fine.
Okay then. Call me when you get home, okay?
Be safe.
Yeah, sure, I will. See you.
Bye. Love you.
She no get joy at all.
Hi, Chief.
She's fearless. She can do
Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm just close by. Send me the address and
she
I'll
know that your face, oh, how I like too much.
Alright.
Trouble for her body, and she no send anybody. Hey, she's so desperate.
Hello? Ibeh, sorry I missed your call. Wait, you have seen my phone? How? Where? How did you find it? Oh my goodness. Oh, I think it was the guy that helped me with my luggage this morning that took it without my knowledge. I'm sure. Oh, Ibeh. Oh, God bless her for me. To think she was the one with the phone all through her sister's traditional marriage. Yes, I gave it to her to hold for. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please don't forget the phone when coming to the city this morning. Weekend. Why weekend? You told me that you're coming to the city this morning. Oh, I understand. Don't worry. I will send you 20 baht. Yes, I'll send you 20k for your tea fare. No wahala, I got you. I got you. And I only know that you're good with hairdressing. So when you go, you start working at the salon that I'm managing. No problem, anything. It's good. Alright, see you this weekend. Bye. So I'm not buying another phone after all.
Please excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm okay, sir.
Where is the easiest way to go to the express?
Okay, you saw those cars coming from the window.
Yeah.
They're going to the express. Just follow your right, left, then hit straight down.
Oh,
Then you can be asking people in case you get confused.
okay, nice. Sorry, it's like you're coming from that wedding.
Yes, of course.
Okay, I saw you there.
Oh, Chika is my childhood friend.
Okay.
What about you? The husband, is he your friend?
No. I just dropped a friend off.
Oh, okay.
That was what brought me to the wedding.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw you working so hard in the wedding. And I said to myself, this must be your best friend.
Of course, she's my best friend.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yes,
It's okay.
sir.
So why don't you hop in? Let me drop you off. Maybe when we get to the express, I'll give you money to come.
No. That won't be necessary. My house is just close by. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Ihe dị mma maka. Chika. Now we miss. Okay, nke ma kọkwara nwa. Everything must see take away. If it's this our local wedding now, they will use plastic this thing. Then they want to
Hey. It's nice.
Hey, Bube. Mama, you stayed long.
No, I was helping her to do things, so I was arranging things for her. Her cousins, they are all forming big girls. So I said, let me help her. You know, I'm the only one that she has.
I saw it. If not that Ibeh is the maid of honor, she would have been the one to help you.
Of course. Mama, I didn't know when you left there. I was looking for you. I didn't know. You would have called my attention before leaving now.
No, I told your cousin that I'm going. That she should inform you too.
Nobody informed me, maybe because I was actually busy running around. So
it's okay.
I'm so happy for my friend. Honestly, she's so happy. She was dancing.
I'm happy for her too.
Yes.
The marriage was a success, big one.
She deserves it.
Just imagine Chika. Chika is now Mrs.
Mrs. Chika Antonieze.
Mrs. Antonieze. Hey.
I'm happy for her.
I'm happy.
Mama, let me go inside and freshen up. Heat. Carry.
You need it. Don't worry yourself. Your own is coming.
Amen.
A good man.
A good man.
A God-fearing man.
Amen.
A man that will love you, cherish you, adore you, and pamper you.
Amen. Mama, thank you. Who be that? Oh, it's me. My customer. I don't bring them. Yeah. It's your hair fine, oh. Thank you. I dey try. Thank you very much. Right. See, go tell your friends, make them come my shop. This place is my shop. I dey do makeup, I dey fix nail. I dey do makeup well. Shey you see my face well. I dey do am well. Thank you very much. Come back again, oh. No problem. Yeah. Thank you very much, oh. Okay. Thank God, oh. Yeah.
Awesome. Mama. This one you are excited and happy.
Mama, today alone I need 6,000. One in the morning, 2,000, and this one 4,000. You saw that braid? I did it.
Hey. But remember one thing. What? Don't forget to pay your tithe this time around. Mama,
calm down now. I'm paying my tithe this Sunday. You know I won't.
I have something to tell you. Come.
Oh, I'm safe. You're very busy.
It's about your friend Sharon. She called me when I was inside, before I left from Mama Nkechi's house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mama, this one she called you instead of me. Hope all is well.
There is no problem. She said she has been calling you and you refuse picking your calls.
Did she drop any message?
Yes. What did she say? She said that she sent you something, that you should confirm it and get back to her, and that she wants you to come to the city tomorrow.
We spoke that I'll come weekend. And she agreed. Why is she not saying I should come tomorrow?
And maybe she thought you might change your mind.
No,
You know Sharon.
Mama, you know me very well. There's no way I will say something and I will not do it. If I don't want to do it, I'll tell her I'm not coming. But I want to go with Sharon. Anything that concerns Sharon, I want to be involved. But I want to, finish up with my customers. They booked me to make their hair and do their makeup. So when I finish with them, I'll gather small money before I go. Gather money, give you some, and then take some with me to the city, because I cannot be dependent on Sharon if I get to her house. I have to hold money now.
My daughter, I appreciate your efforts to make sure I'm comfortable. But believe me, I am okay. You know I have a shop that I manage, so my case is different. Mama, you have to just worry about your own.
Mama, calm down. Your shop is your shop. Let me take care of you. I'm your daughter. So allow me to do what is right. Biko, allow me.
My hands off. My stubborn daughter.
Like mother, like daughter. Like mother, like daughter.
Mama.
Yes. Look at you. What are you doing with my guy? I don't understand. You don't understand what?
Don't try this.
I should not try.
I said
what is she doing?
Don't try it again.
I should what happened? Okay.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
No,
If I hear you talk to my wife anyhow again, I will mess up with you. I'll mess you up.
Your wife?
No, she's my she-goat. Your wife? Nonsense. Why this next time I will deal with you.
I mean, she's your real wife.
No, she's
your real wife.
So. Hey, she no get joy at all. She's fearless, she can do anything for the money, and always ready for trouble. Hey, she know the fear face, so how I
Yes. Ibeh, what's up? Sorry about that. I was not with my phone. That's why I'm calling back. Oh, did you get my message? That was not a mistake. I sent you 30k because I know you're a big girl. I want your road trip to be smooth and fun. On your way here, if you see anything that you like, just get it for yourself and enjoy your trip. I appreciate for what? I should be the one thanking you. Ibeh, you taught me hairdressing. I just came to the city and upgraded myself. The same reason I want you to come here. This city is full of opportunities. Come here and upgrade yourself and be like me. I'm a big girl in this city. You too. Bye. Hello. Hello, sweetheart. I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, it won't happen again. Please, forgive me. Please, I'm sorry. You have not been taking my calls, all my messages. Listen, it will not happen again. Please forgive me. I want us to get back together and start from... Let's start afresh. I promise you, it won't happen again. How do you mean you're not interested? You don't want... Okay, fine. Even if you don't want the relationship again, can you at least send me my house rent? You promised to send me money for my house rent. It's okay. What is that? Don't talk to me like that. What is it? I said it's okay. Look at this little brat, oh. Smelling rat. Idiot. Yes, I am calling you names. What can you do? You should be grateful that a big sweet girl like me is rolling with you and you're talking rubbish. Have you forgotten how you used to confess on top of me that I'm the sweetest girl in this whole world? That I sweet past your wife? Now you come here, come the yarn rubbish. I better come off from my phone. Go sit down for poto. You're an idiot. Foolish man. Look at this idiot though. Because I'm rolling with him because of money. You're here talking rubbish. On a normal day, sweet girl like me, you come the roll with idiot. Foolish man.
So. Hey, she no get joy at all. She's fearless, she can do anything for the money, and always ready for trouble. Hey, she know that if your face, oh, how I holla too much, oh, trouble for her body, and she no send anybody. Hey, she's so desperate, why are you fighting for something that is
Dorothy, you know the person that owns this wig? And this is not properly wigged. Who did this? Dorothy, you have to re-wig this. I don't like it.
Okay. Ma,
The phone is very weak. Ah, my girl is in town. Hey, boo! At my place? How come? You are supposed to tell me immediately you get to the back. Okay, just wait for me. I'll be with you shortly. Alright. Okay. Dorothy.
Ma.
So my sister is waiting for me at my place. Hey, I'm leaving now and I don't think I'll be coming back to the shop. Close the shop at exactly 7 p.m. If you like, once I leave, you close the shop.
Okay, ma. I'll do so, ma.
You will do what? You will close the shop once I leave.
Eh, but what you talk, ma? You see if you reach a come back, make I tell and say, you say me will close me, then we come.
You don't get sense. No, are you stupid?
No verse, ma. You say you dey serious when you talk that one.
It is I dey serious. It is I dey serious.
No
You don't
verse.
have your time. When Rita comes, close my shop at exactly 7 p.m. Dorothy, 7 p.m.
Okay, ma.
They do your keke now.
Fuel don't finish.
Fuel finish.
I beg, see it now.
Fuel finish for keke. Wait, you don't know when the fuel they go down.
The fuel gauge don't spoil. I beg.
And why you not change the fuel gauge? You see this man, I no go better
Make
for
I
you.
just rush now. Go buy from the nearest. You know far from here.
Make a day here.
No.
Make you go buy fuel. Your brain they leak. Now you carry me come
I
this
don't
city.
insult you. Why they insult me?
Why I no go
I
insult
just
you?
beg
They craze. You no go die well.
Shey,
You no go die well.
Shey,
You know where they go?
No,
You know the appointment
Before
where
you go pay me now.
You dey craze. Me I go pay you. I go pay you. Your mama go pay you. You dey craze.
See, nobody insult me.
What you go do?
What you bring my mama for this?
What you go do if I insult you? You dey craze.
I don't think I
If not be say where they go do me important, I go give you one flow like that. I tell you what I hear.
Okay, what you do? Okay, what you gonna do now? My passenger. Sorry. My passenger. Sorry. Did I hit you?
So here is a place.
Not really, but I live around here. The house is just around the corner.
Okay. So I have to run along now. You know, I told you I have an appointment to meet up with.
Yes, you did.
Are you sure you're okay now?
Yes, look at me. I'm very okay. I'm strong. You heard it from the doctor. I didn't even sustain any form of injury, no scratch on my body, so I'm good. I'm fine.
You know, I was so scared. I was just so scared when it happened, but I thank God for everything now.
I'm equally grateful to you, man, for your concern. I mean, some other guy would have ran off. But you were there, you took me to the hospital and you paid all my bills. Thank you.
Oh, come on. We're friends now.
Yes. My name is Sharon. Yes, Sharon is my name.
Okay, Sharon. And I hope you won't forget my own.
How on earth can I forget such a cute name? Stanley is a very wonderful name, and no girl in her right senses can forget that name.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So what do you say you take me out for lunch or dinner sometime?
We're friends now. Just call me whenever you need me. Yeah. What?
My friend, she has been waiting for me. I have to go now.
Okay, please do. Please.
Can I give you a hug?
Oh, come on. It's okay.
All right.
take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Sorry I kept you waiting for this long.
I've been standing under the sun.
Oh, I'm so you've been standing here waiting for me since?
Yes, now it was your neighbor that told me that this is your gate. That was when I was calling you. Do you know I haven't gone to the bank and come back? I went to send money to my mother because I couldn't give her physical cash. I didn't have. So I had to go to the bank and send money to her. And I'm still calling you. We're not coming. Standing under the sun.
Okay, I'm here now.
Sharon, you kept me under the sun. It's not good.
It's okay. Sit together. I'm happy you're here now. Let's get inside. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sharon, I thank God for your life. Had it been that God did not push that car away from you, who knows what would have happened? We won't be having this conversation, no? It's like you don't know what God did for you. You don't know the big thing God did for you.
Ibeh, how can you talk like that? What is greater than God sparing my life? I am forever grateful, my dear. In fact, I cannot thank God enough.
Chai. And also you owe it to that young man that saved you. In fact, he has proved himself worthy of a responsible and reasonable man.
You can say that again. He's a good person. And he's equally a good man. I mean, the type that every girl will want by her side, if you know what I mean.
I don't know what you mean, no.
You know what I mean.
I don't know what you mean, Sharon.
You can come. I
beg, I'm not conquer, I beg. I'm just happy you are alive, I beg.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. This night? So I cannot come out this night though. Yes, sir. I am not fine. Sir, I had an accident. Yes, sir. No, it's not that severe. Just small scratches here and there. But you know all these private expensive hospitals, they find every means to extort money from their patients. Sir, you cannot believe that I paid almost 500,000 naira. I paid almost 500,000 naira for just small scratches. So, As I'm talking to you, sir, I have emptied my account. I don't have any money in my account again. I am broke, sir. And to crown it all, I have like 6 visitors in my house. 6 visitors in my house. And they came from the village. They be eating, and these past 3 days, as I'm talking to you, sir, I don't even know what to do again because they finished all the food and all the drinks in my house. I don't even know what they will eat this night. So I am broke. I don't know what is... Hey, you will send me the 500,000 naira. Oh, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir. You are a darling. Thank you. I'll send my account number right away. Thank you, sir.
Hey, Sharon! What's that lie? Why are you lying?
What is it?
Is there a need for that? What's the need for all this now? These lies?
Nah, calm down. Look what this JJC. He don't know what's up in this city. He just came. Don't worry. This is city. If you don't shine your eye, they go shine out for you. You understand? Don't worry, you just came. Very soon you will blend. You understand this call?
I will not blend though. That's not my character. That's not my personality. Come and take me inside now.
Calm down, take you inside. Money first. Make I send this account number before the momo go change your mind.
Someone that wants to send you 500,000 in a momo.
Pure mogo. You know what? I know what he wants. I know he want chop. Me, I want money. And the same thing. We just deceive ourselves. Say we love each other. We know what we want. Forget that thing.
Sharon, you can never change.
I don't be Kamani or my sister. Calm down.
So, this is where I am managing. So, that's the dryer and everywhere is beautiful. Thank you. Rita. Yes.
She's your senior. Your senior in everything. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
I call her the same respect that you give to me.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
In fact, she's my madam.
Nice meeting you, Rita.
Same here, ma'am. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, darling. You said you have 3 people working for you.
Yes, Rita is one of them. Okay. She will soon be free. Then Dorothy is not. She has not come to work yet. But she's new, she just come on board. Then my senior girl, Eju, is on suspension.
On suspension? If she's on suspension, how will Rita cope with all your customers alone?
That is why I have you here.
Sharon, you know I'm just coming. What if your customers are used to Ejiro's hand and they come and they did not see her? They will not feel confident that I can make their heads now.
But I am confident that you can make their... You're a professional. Is it because we are now in the city? Are you not the one that taught me everything?
I'm just showing my concern. That's all. I don't want you to lose customers.
Nothing will happen. I think I call it very another. Running stomach. Why won't you have running stomach? When you be eating like a fool. Anything you see, you put inside your mouth. Very soon, your stomach will start flying. So you can't come to work today. It's alright. Try and come early tomorrow. Dorothy, early.
That's your girl, right?
Yes.
You see what I'm saying?
So she can't come to work today. She has running stomach.
Have you seen it?
Please calm down. I have you here. This is my shop now, just camouflage. No be this thing they use see front. You don't come city now. Very soon you go know what's up. Calm down.
Where are your customers' wigs? Let me condition them.
Nana, workaholic, professional. You are so funny.
You think so?
I know so.
It's my mother. My mother can stop me. You know, she keep asking me, when are you bringing her? When are you bringing her for me to see? I said, Mama, take it easy now. What is it? She now asks me, do you want to get to the age of Methuselah before you bring a woman for me, before you settle down? I'm telling you.
Your mother asked you that?
For real. You know, that boy, she's just pushing me.
You know what? You don't have to blame her. I mean, she wants to carry her grandchildren.
I know, but she still need to understand that I'm not going to introduce to her anyhow, girl. Do you understand? I need to bring someone that is. Do you understand? Somebody that is cool and sweet. You don't understand. You don't really know what I passed. I mean, what I went through in my past relationship.
Talking about your past relationship, do you care to share?
Come on, let's just forget about it. I don't just want to think about it.
Alright, I respect your decision.
Good. Thank you for understanding.
And thank you for treating me well. Thank you for everything. You're just a sweet guy.
I should be the one thanking you. Because I know what you gave me in there was wonderful. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Anything for you.
So I have to rush home now. I have my little sister at home waiting for me. I know she must have been worried by now.
Take care of yourself.
Okay. Bye. Okay.
I'm coming.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I know you're worried. I kept you waiting, right?
Yeah, I was actually worried before I got your test.
I have to drop her off and then start coming back.
Okay. Hope you had fun.
It's not what you're thinking. I know where you're going to. It's not what you think.
Well,
Just had a little treat and then that's all.
maybe because you guys just met. But if she's a nice person, you better make your intentions known. Be cool.
That can never happen. Yes, I just dropped her off and started coming back. That's all. Nothing else.
Brother, you know you're not getting younger. You need a wife.
Hey. The earlier you realize that you're my younger sister and not my mother, better for you. Huh? Let's say one your Anabola.
Hey!
Hi.
Good morning, sir.
Do you remember me? The guy that met you at the village the other time.
Of course I do, sir.
You didn't tell me you stay in the city.
No, I just came here a few days ago.
Okay, you know the last time we were so much in a hurry, we didn't have time to talk and introduce ourselves.
I didn't see that as it wasn't necessary.
I think it's necessary now.
Sir, I'm rushing off to work, so I need to get there on time, and I know you're rushing somewhere too.
Yeah, it's just that I'm just trying to make you a friend. I mean, no harm.
And who is saying you're going to harm someone?
Your response.
Sir, please, I'm rushing to work. I need to go do something there, and I know you're rushing to work too.
Yeah, definitely, and I don't mind dropping you off.
No, that wouldn't be necessary, honestly.
I insist. Let's say it's my little way of appreciating you.
Appreciating me on what?
I just want to appreciate you for the little stuff you did for me the other day. You know, you showed me the way out of the village. So?
Thank you, sir, for the ride.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank
You didn't tell me your name.
you. You never asked.
Oh, sorry about that. What's your name?
My name is Ibeh.
Ibeh.
Yes.
Glory. Wow.
That's my English name.
Nice. Nice name.
Thank you. So what is yours?
My name is Stanley. Stanley Ebo.
Okay. All right, Mr. Stanley. I have to get going.
Okay, can I get your number so I can...
No. There will be no need for that.
Why?
You can always come here and see me, but except weekends, because we're always busy. What, did I say anything wrong?
No, you just made it clear. And I respect your opinion.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a blessed day.
And you too.
Bye.
Bye. You take care.
All right, thank you.
Keke, Ibeh, carry me go. My friend. Now you? Ibeh, you know be my friend again. Wetin dey worry you? You know they work today.
Even if I dey work, I know they go. No be after I don't do finish, born fuel finish, you know, to pay me to do harm. No dey go.
Are you saying that I'm a troublemaker? You're indirectly insulting me.
I know insult you. Just I know they go.
Why will you talk to me like that? By the way, why will you talk to me like that? I'm offended. I be your mate. I be your mate. I be your mama mate. Why you go talk to me like that? Eh? Wait till they worry you because they drive this stupid keke. Why you go talk to me like that?
See, madam, make I tell you. As you see me, I'm a gentle person. Now because of my husband.
Mommy not gentle.
You
don't talk to the grace.
No, I don't insult you. No, just insult me. I just tell you, say I know they go. What did I do wrong?
Why you go talk to me like that? Why you go tell me say you know they go? Why you go talk to me like that? Don't you know you should be happy? Happy to carry me to wherever I want to go to. You tell me say you know they go.
For what? Now you buy the keke give me.
I
should be happy.
I will buy this keke.
I better leave my shop. Leave my shop.
I don't go leave him. What you go do?
If I can't fight, you don't leave my shop. What I go do you for here? You no go like am.
Oh! You gallant, no be weird and go take trailer day. I go jam you. I go jam you. They don't go see your PC.
You get love say you be woman.
What you go do?
You get love say you be
woman. I be woman.
What I go do you for here?
You don't go do anything.
Leave my clothes.
If I not leave her, what you go do?
If I count to 5, you don't leave my clothes. What you go see?
I will count.
You go not say my madness. It pass your own.
Hey! Now me be madness. I don't mad for my 2 before. I don't mad before. What you go do? What you go do? What you go do?
When I say they do too much.
What you go do?
When I say they do too much.
What you go do?
Leave my clothes.
What you go do?
What did I go do you for here? Just leave me.
What you go do?
What's your problem?
Go on, make I see. So this foolish woman.
Imagine this Obanje. Imagine this Obanje. Because just
you call me Obanje.
No, they slap me.
Me Obanje.
You can't tell us no they go. Now you just take it from me. Now you go tell me where we go. I know they carry you. Leave me.
This your dada no pass my own.
No, you touch me again, no.
This my dada pass your own.
I'll blow you now. Leave me.
My dada pass your own. You not gonna do anything.
Leave my clothes.
You not gonna do anything.
Leave my clothes.
I not gonna leave her.
One.
I not gonna leave her.
You know this keke.
Do your worst. I not gonna leave her. I not gonna leave her.
So you dey blame me now, abi?
I don't believe her.
Now. Say I know they go. She dey force me make I go. I don't want to go.
I go show you Pepe. I go show you say woman pass man.
I can't force me.
I go show you say woman pass man.
For where?
Leave me.
Leave my clothes.
I go collect. Woto, you go collect. I go show you.
You no reach.
You no reach.
You no reach.
I no reach.
You no reach. Leave my clothes now. Leave me. Leave me.
You push me. They send you.
No, now.
You push me.
Sorry.
I nearly fell.
No, sorry.
You won't collect another person fight. You won't collect another person fight.
I'm sorry.
Ajibota. You won't collect person fight. You won't collect person fight.
I'm sorry.
You see you, I no go handle you.
Sorry.
I no go use my bare hand handle you. I go collect cane, beat you like small pikin. Wait for me. Mad people everywhere. If I wait now, make I show you say I don't mad for myself before. I no normal. I no be normal human being. See this you use like a keke boy, you idiot. Over sabi girl. I forbid you finish. Go down from yellow to blue or green. Foolish people.
So. Hey, she no get joy at all. She's fearless. She can do anything for the money.
You go ahead, Chizzy.
Hey, she know that if you face how I holla too much. Trouble full of body, and she not send anybody. Hey, she's so desperate.
The customer is coming this evening to pick it up. Yes. Wow. So just use small comb, and brush this side. Okay. So that it will be smooth. Tell me that I finished it on time.
Hey! You, take this money. Go down this shop. Go see where they sell mineral and bread. Make you buy for me. I dey hungry. It's an order. Collect the money.
Are you talking to me?
Now they too here. Now they talk to you now. I be your senior.
Yeah. Dorothy, so you don't know your elder?
Forget that thing. You know they do senior for year. Go be say, I be your senior for year. I started working here before you. So if I send you message, you go and
Is that what your madam told you?
Wait till my mother tell me. You're looking at me like an apprentice, right? Leave that grammar, whether apprentice or not apprentice. Wait till you say I started working here before you. As Ejiro and Rita, that thing where they call Rita started working here. And if they send me message, I dey go, I know they complain. Now the same way I dey order you, may you go down, may you go buy me mineral and bread, make I chop. I dey hungry.
Dorothy, what do you think you're doing?
Hey, you shut up. No put sansan for my garri. See, if you send me message, I dey do it. So allow me to exercise my seniority, okay?
Orobo.
You cannot tell you.
I no get your time. Madam, they come for you. Just let's go.
So all the things your madam told you didn't sink into your head?
It's my madam.
Ask yourself.
See, make I just respect you because say you senior me. If not be one thing, I no go now, you go am. Make I just go before they go say they disrespect my senior. Eh? But anyway, Sha, I see they come back for you. You see you? If I dey talk, they talk. Don't mind you.
I think they go. Oh. See am.
See, I'm not blaming you now. Because say you know me for work. Come outside. Chief!
See, Madam, please don't stop giving this girl a chance. Don't give her a chance at all. If not, she will keep misbehaving.
Please go and continue what you were doing.
Okay.
Thank God I am fine. I can't imagine making a public show.
Who is making a public show of herself?
You didn't go to the office today?
No, I came back for this. And you've not answered my question. Do you have an encounter with anyone out there?
Oh, yes. It was one stupid girl who was disgracing herself publicly.
I guess not with you.
I got involved in it, bro. I came out and I tried separating both of them, which almost caused her to fall. And she turned the whole thing around at me like, as if I caused the whole thing. She nearly beat me up. But thank God I applied wisdom. We ran out of the sink.
Oh, that's nice. That's how to handle such cases.
Yeah.
I'll see you when I come back.
Okay, bro. Have a great day at work.
Yeah, thank you.
So. It's really telling on you. It is not in vain.
Oh, Chief, you can say that again.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Oh, Chief. Be romantic. Be nice.
Shut up. Am I not nice? I meet up with every of your demand. Financially, gift-wise, whatever you ask for. What again do you want from me?
I know, Chief. Add a little spice.
Even the money you asked for your rent, the 800,000. After today's enjoyment, I'm going to give it to you.
Chief, I forgot to tell you. My rent is no longer 800,000 naira. My landlord has increased it to 1.8 million naira.
Jesus Christ!
Chief, why are you screaming? Did anything happen? Why are you shouting?
Is it not this compound? Eh? Or do you have any other house in Banana Estate or GRA Abuja?
Chief, is that why you are shouting? Come on, Chief. Chief, no for your hand, though. Eh? The chicken change.
That your landlord is very wicked. In fact, he's a thief. Eh? I'm going to relocate you to one of my apartments in
Chief.
Government House Quarters.
Chief, I don't want. I am very, very comfortable here.
What are you saying?
I am comfortable here, Chief. Besides, I don't want your wife to break my head.
Who is going to tell my wife that you are my side chick? Or are you going to tell her?
Chief, she will definitely find out. Eh? We women, we have our ways. She will find out. Chief, how can you even suggest that? Oh, are you using this as an excuse not to give me the money I asked for? You know what, Chief? Keep your money. I don't want again. I don't want.
Oh, my baby, what is 1.8 million? I'm going to give you. Don't bother about it. Please
going
come
to give
on.
me.
Come
Aww, Chief, you're so sweet.
Come, it's alright. It's alright. What's 1.8 million? That's how we lose you.